Carl, the lab just blew up. We're in danger.
Who are you talking to right now?
Carl, what are you talking about?
Do you know how much I make a year? I mean, even if I told you, you wouldn't believe it. Do you know what happened if I suddenly decided to stop going to work? A business
Carl.
big enough to be this on a Nasdaq goes belly up, disappears.
Please, get out of here. We're in danger. The lab's blowing up.
You clearly don't know who you're talking to, so let me clue you in. I am not in danger, Jimmy. I am the danger. A guy opens his door and gets shot. You think that of me? No. I am the one who knocks.